Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. I hope you all had a safe and restful holiday. I'm glad to be here delivering my first message of the new year. We know you all have questions about vaccines, so today's message will address the following. What phase are we now in? When will we move to the next phases? How and when can you sign up to be vaccinated? And how can you find more information? As of today, January 8th, the Durham County Department of Public Health is still operating in vaccine Phase 1A. Phase 1A includes medical providers along with staff and residents at long-term care facilities. We realize that there has been some confusion about this, as some other counties and Duke Health have begun Phase 1B vaccinations. Throughout the vaccination process and for the next several months, it is likely that counties and agencies will continue to move at different paces. Moving to a new phase depends on how much vaccine is available, how many people need to be vaccinated, and logistical considerations like making sure we are able to efficiently schedule appointments and safely accommodate people who may have different needs than previous phases. Please know that we are working to move through each phase of the state and federal COVID vaccine rollout plan as quickly as possible. We will not move forward until we are confident that we can do so safely and efficiently. So when will we move to the next phase? We hope to begin vaccinating Phase 1B, Group 1, within the next 2 weeks, but please know that the date is not definite at this time. Please stay tuned for further updates. When we begin Phase 1B, we will start with Group 1, which is those individuals who are 75 and older. Phase 1B, Group 2, will begin at a later date. Although we have not begun vaccinating individuals 75 and older here at the Health Department, appointments are available through Duke Health. Visit dukehealth.org for more information. Please note that vaccines for this group are available through Duke Health by appointment only. Next, how can you make an appointment to be vaccinated here at the Health Department? If you are a medical provider in Phase 1A, for now, you can now email phplanning@dconc.gov to receive a registration form for your clinic's employees. If you are a resident or staff at a long-term care facility in Phase 1A, many vaccines are being scheduled through your facilities through the federal partnership, but we will keep reaching out to others to schedule vaccines moving forward. It is not necessary for you to contact us to schedule vaccines for your long-term care facilities. We are continuing to increase our vaccine supply and streamlining our vaccination process, so we will continue vaccinating Phase 1A members as we transition to vaccinating Phase 1B. If you are in Phase 1B, you will soon have the opportunity to schedule an appointment online or by phone. We are working to finish creating both a phone line and an online form. You will use this to choose a time and a date to visit us here at the Health Department to receive your vaccine. All vaccinations will be provided by appointment only. To ensure vaccines are provided to you in a timely manner, we will not provide walk-in vaccinations at this time. As of right now, our building and Duke Health are the only locations administering vaccines here in Durham, but we are working with our state and local partners in order for primary care providers to be among the next locations providing vaccines. Durham, we are thrilled that vaccines are here and that so many of you are eager to get vaccinated. Our goal here in Durham is to make vaccines available to everyone at locations most convenient to you, but please be patient as demand for vaccines at this time far exceeds available supply. We're getting more vaccines every week, and eventually they will be available to each and every one of you. We are working around the clock with our state and local partners to get vaccines to you as quickly and safely as we can, but it will take some time. Rest assured that when your time comes to be vaccinated, we will do everything we can to be sure you have the information you need in order to get your shot. In order to make sure you're up to date on the latest information, continue to check our website, follow us on social media at Durham Health NC, or subscribe for our email updates, which you can do so by visiting our website at decopublichealth.org/COVID-19 emails. I urge you to double down on the 3Ws. Stay home as much as possible. Wear a mask when you go out and practice social distancing. It will be a while until everyone has had the opportunity to get their vaccines, but we thank you for being patient, continuing to stay tuned through accurate information. We can do this, Durham.